Tapos na naman na isang oras ng impormasyon at kasiyahan. But before we go, what is our words of wisdom for today now?
Okay, most of the problems in life comes because of two reasons. First, we act without thinking. Second, we keep thinking without acting. Oh, diba?
Very self-explanatory siya. Pero alam mo naman kasi we worry too much.
Oh, sometimes, nadadala tayo na emotions natin that we tend to do something na hindi na natin naisip ko ano yung magiging impact or result niya at the end.
Sabi nga nila, don't decide, huwag kang gumawa sa desisyon kung ang iyong feelings ay temporary lamang. Diba pag galit ka, ay, ayoko na. Mga gano'n, diba?
You're at the peak of your emotions talaga. Mahirap talaga mag-decide or gumawa ng decision because you can never make the best decision pag nadadala ka ng emotion.
Yun na nga eh. At saka sa mga emosyon na yan, hindi pa man dumarating kasi yung panahon na yun, nag-worry na tayo. Ano ba yan? We worry too much, guys.
Dapat kalmado lagi. Diba? Ayan. So, before we finally end the show, gusto muna namin pasalamatan ang mga sponsors na tumulong sa atin to make this show possible.
Yes, of course, to call you Lily. Hi, Ian. O, diba? May soon-to-be ex-boyfriend. Ex na agad, ano? May nakaraan na agad. Soon to be as ex. Ayan, Kalya Lilio sa ating Celebrity Corner. Radiant Gascon of our Ilocana segment. Siyempre si Pepito Alvarez po. Vegan Flower Shop. Sa JDC Mall for What's Cooking segment. And to Sir Steve out here. And of course, his family.
Correct. And also to Mr. Noel Javier for the Fire Track, Eden Garden, Caltex Bantay, Ma'am Dada, hello Ma'am Dada, to BCS Group of Companies, Ma'am Telma Bautista, Mayor Mark Purisima, Mayor Kubangban, Board Member Christian Purisima, si Sir Basi, and of course Altamira Subdivision and GSM.
And syempre naman sa ating mga viewers, please don't forget to like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/4tv10 and please follow us on Twitter. Hey, follow us on Twitter.
Yeah, follow us on Twitter and Facebook also.
Yes, Rossi Chic. Follow me, Rossi Chic.
Delmar _ yes, 17. Yan.
ROSYCHIC. Diba? Kasi baka nagkalimutan yung spelling.
And if you have comments, guys, huwag kayong mag-hesitate na magbigay ng mga comments. Negative or positive, we welcome all the comments and feedback na gusto yung parating sa amin. Diba? Yan. Ako. Ano muna, I'd like to say hi to my mom. Previous episode, hindi ko yata siya nabati. Hello, Mother. I love you so much. And to my brother Deltran, Inyol, my sister Myla, Marklin, and Joanne. Hello. Sa lahat ng mga relatives ko sa Kutam, Bungtulan, Magsingan. Lahat ng mga kapitbahay din namin sa Kutam. Yes. Sa ating, sa may-ari na apartment namin, to Tito Ray, hello. Thank you for watching. Tsaka sa lahat ng mga nag-stay din doon. Nanonood lagi sila ng Wake Up Ilocos. Hello, guys. And to my Tupperware Branch family, Lawag, and to Vegan also. To Rachel Fernandez, Ryan Prince, hello. To Russell and Wina, hello guys. And to my Happy Fit family, I love you all so much. Mama. Yan.
Ako naman. Hello to my mom and my dad. And syempre sa aking Marcos, Miguel and Margarita. Yes, sa aking lola na si Mama Maureen at sa aking mga cousins. Ayan.
I like the pronunciation.
Yes, may pronunciation because I'm mga Roxy. Ayan. Yes. And syempre po maraming salamat Hervey Salon for my top, makeup, and hair. At sa aking napaka-yaman na luscious with the gems on it. Yes, Hervey Salon for men and women, located at National Highway Balaling, Bantay, Ilocos. Diyan yan sa JDC Mall. Please call them 722-4282 local 155. And gusto ko rin po pasalamatan, syempre, yung sponsor ko for my eyewear, Dr. Joe Flandes, of Flandes Optical Clinic located at number 60 the Green Boulevard, Vegan City. Yes, thank you so much sa bongga kong eyewear.
Thank you also to David Salon.
Yes, and thank you to Ate Jana sa aking bonggang ngayon gamit kong accessories and to Joong Amores. Yes. Sir Alvarino of Hervey Salon. At saan mo na sa Hervey Salon? Ay, naku, sino pa ba? Di ba nagbigan to Pastor and Pastora Eugene Medina?
Hello, Pastora and Pastor.
And have your family, hello po.
Hi also to Tita Annette and Tito Presi, hello. Friends of my mom.
Hindi ko mga nag-grade, I love you all.
Me too.
Mga Facebook friends ko, Diyos ko, hindi ko na kayo, oh my God. Pero salamat po sa lagi yung pagtutok sa akin, yung pag-abang sa akin pagbabalik.
Correct.
Diba?
Right.
Yan. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating show ngayong araw. Tumutok po ulit next week para sa panibago, syempre naman, at exciting na episode ng napaka-original at unbeatable infotainment show sa buong Ilocania. Ito ang
Wake up, Ilocos!
Hi, Je!
Yes.
Chekias and Murphy. Maganda. Love it.